Now let's take a look at the property websites section under Marketing, where you'll find both branded and unbranded versions of your property website. To get started with customizing your property website, simply click on the Editor button. Once you're in the website editor, you'll see a list of customizable options on the left-hand side of your screen. These options allow you to customize the overall theme of your site, including the colors that match your brand and style. You can click on each individual section to reveal the settings and options that you can customize. Whether it's adjusting the theme or moving key content around, you have the flexibility to make your website your own. Then when you're finished editing, just click Save and Exit in the top right-hand corner. Now let's explore the marketing materials section, where you can create flyers and social media posts and more. Under the marketing section on the listing page, find the marketing materials section and click the Create button. You'll then enter our Marketing Center, where you'll find pre-built templates for flyers, postcards, social media posts. You can then click on any template. For example, we'll click on a flyer here to enter into the editor. In the editor, you'll be able to customize the colors, images, text, and logos in your flyer. When finished, simply click Publish Changes in the top corner, and then you'll have the option to download this flyer. You can then print it, email it out to your clients, post it on social media, and more. When you're finished, you can click back in the top left corner to return to the listing page. Now that you've customized your property website and marketing materials, there's one more feature to make sharing this listing with your clients even easier. You can scroll to the top right corner of the listing page, and you can download a QR code. This provides your clients with quick access to your branded property website just by scanning the QR code. Now let's click on the Leads page. The Leads page serves as a centralized location for any prospective customers that fill out your contact form on any of your property websites. Upon submission of your contact form, you'll receive an email notification that alerts you to a new lead. The lead's contact information will be stored and accessible within your Leads page here so that you can follow up with them.